What is the average electrician salary in Cyprus? The average salary of an electrician in Cyprus is $28,100 a year. That is the average annual gross salary, but after tax, you take home $22,800, which adds up to roughly $1,900 every month. While that is the country average, local wages are higher in big cities, so an electrician in Nicosia brings home $26,900 after tax. Pay outside Nicosia drops to lower levels, but living costs there are also lower, so your money goes further. Starting out as a new worker places your pay well below this mark. It goes up quickly in your first few years, though it soon stops rising unless you take charge of other workers. Getting a university degree adds up to noticeably more money, which is why educated tradespeople easily move into roles like site manager or electrical inspector. On top of that, picking a hard specialization like high voltage systems helps you earn even more because specialized skills are always in high demand.